I dropped almost 10 kilos. The tumor really affects my diet. With your health through tumor and cancer, it's ranked already in 70%. I can say I'm already 90% or 95% return to my normal life just like before. I can do jogging, I can also do walking very long, I can also do my biking already. I'm Charlemagne Mendoza Sadi. I'm a Filipino, 50 years old. I'm suffering from carotid paraganglioma. 2 years ago, I feel that my body is getting weak. I'm easily get stressed and easily get tired. As time goes by, I drop almost 10 kilos. For me, is dealing with that kind of tumor is very heavy. I cannot do my work that I was doing, the heavy job, the heavy lifting, because I always do my workout, jogging, exercising. When that paraganglioma tumor arrived, everything was been cut, everything was been stopped. The tumor really affects my diet. I cannot eat the normal food that I love to eat. All the local hospital that I've been there in the Philippines, they are always offering me an open surgery that I really don't want to do. The first reason is the chances of living. All the doctors that I met in the Philippines, they are all explaining to me the consequences. First, I might lose too much blood. Second, I will lose my voice entirely. Even though I live after the operation, I will lose my voice. The last part that I really don't want is that I could lose my life in the operation table. They don't give me any medication. Not even in the Philippines. I do also some research what are the treatment for the paraganglioma. Even in America, they are also offering an open surgery. Way back in your extension office there in the Philippines, the doctor there explained to me everything. No operation, you will not be harmed. I underwent functional therapy when I first came here in this hospital. The treatment is very good. As far as I know, I came back again to myself on 100%. It's ranked already in 70%. They have the great procedure. Don't need any operation, any open surgery. Everything is calculated upon your body. They are doing all their best for the patient. Unlike in the Philippines, they are only offering one thing, the open surgery. I can say I'm already 90% or 95% return to my normal life just like before. I can do jogging, I can also do walking very long, I can also do my biking already. I can give you a score, I'll assess you on 100%, good percentage, good performance. All the staff, from the people that clean the room, sanitation staff, the janitorial staff, the nurse, the doctors, they are all good. They are very, very cooperative. They are very, very jolly when you talk to them. From the beginning up to now, the whole family, they're with me. They are giving me all the support that they need. Even though they are far away now, back in the Philippines, they are calling, checking me in. Not only to my wife, but to all the people who was with me on this battle from the very, very beginning. I want to thank them from the bottom of my heart. Make a decision. Do you want a surgery? Do you want a too much chemotherapy in your body? This is the only thing that I can say to you who is watching right now, who is struggling right now with your health through tumor and cancer. Much better if you can come here in this hospital. That as I 100% recommended it to you. This is the best hospital that as far as I know, they saved many, many lives. Not only me, but many.